Are you currently having problems with Expedia not being able to complete your booking and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself just a couple of minutes ago I had the exact same problem, and this is how I fixed it actually. So what I did firstly was that I closed my Expedia app and instead I went into my settings app, as you can see. Then I just scrolled down in here and I clicked on general, as you can see. Then I scrolled down in here and I clicked on storage. And on this page, I just clicked on the search symbol in the top right corner. I searched for Expedia and I clicked on the Expedia app. I clicked on Upload App, and once again, I clicked on Upload App in here. Just going to wait a couple of seconds, and then I clicked on the blue button here again, as you can see. And now actually it's going to automatically update to the latest version. So this magically fixed it for me, by the way. But I've had a lot of times, by the way, that this has happened to me. That I did this update as well, and for some reason sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. One of the reasons why it's not working for you even after you have done this update right here, it might be that on your bank itself, maybe you have locked your like a debit or credit card, you have locked it for internet purchases. So what you can do is to go into your bank and check if you have locked your card right now for internet purchase or internet buys. And if you want to be able to purchase on Expedia, unfortunately, you need to actually basically allow it to allow your credit or debit card to actually purchase online. So you can just open it up, then you can just make your booking on Expedia, and then you can go back into your bank app again and then just lock it. So I did this. I had this one problem one time and I did that, and it also fixed this problem for me. So you can try with the update. If it doesn't work, you can try with your bank, and hopefully now it works for you.